Today we're celebrating our annual Titan Expo. What we do during the Titan Expo is we invite all of the 8th graders from across the district and also from outside of the district so that they can come and see T-STEM and they can find out all of the things that we have to offer. Hi, good morning. Welcome to T-STEM. What makes us different is that we are a small school with big dreams. Students that come here to T-STEM focus on STEM education. So students that are interested in science, technology, engineering, and math, this is the school to come to. Some of the other organizations that we offer that are here at T-STEM are our incredible fine arts program. We have a choir, we have jazz band, we have a theater group, we have an art club, we also have piano, and all of these are award-winning organizations. So if you want to be a part of that, we have that here at T-STEM.
I chose T-STEM not only because of the college, but also I just fell in love with all the teachers when I met them. I love to read, so I joined the book club, and the librarian is constantly giving out free books. I had a lot of fun showing the middle schoolers around, and I hope that they end up choosing T-STEM.
One of the reasons that we have our expo is so that we can showcase everything that we have to offer. So any student that is not quite sure of whether to come to T-STEM and they're thinking about going to another school, give us the opportunity to show you that this is the school for you. If you have the drive for STEM, then this is the place that you need to be at. So if you are ready to be a part of T-STEM, please make sure that you log on into the PSJ T-STEM website, click on that link and register today. You're going to find amazing things happening at T-STEM.